Hey y'all, I'm back. Today I'm bringing you to lunch with me. We're going to be enjoying some Jamaican food. You already know. So let's just go ahead and get into it because I am so hungry. I'm so hungry. You don't understand. I just got in from traveling to Detroit for the weekend. Shout out to Detroit. Detroit in the house. So this is my first meal of the day. What time is it? Ooh, 4 o'clock. Too late. I got myself a nice, refreshing ginger beer to wash down my food, and I got some curry goat. Yes, you already know. Only real ones eat curry goat. Also, I got a beef patty. You know, the meal is not complete without the patty. Everybody knows that. Look at me. I'm going right in. I don't even care. Hella plaster wrap, but I'm not gonna lie. That is like a smart idea because this stuff be getting everywhere. Yes. You see this? Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Yes. Got curry goat, rice and peas, plantains. We good over here. Everything's all good. We eating nice. We eating real nice, okay? This is my stuff, so don't even judge me, okay? Ooh, they put a lot too. And hella gravy. Yes. Mmm. 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 No. This is exactly what I needed. Look at it. Ooh, got the little smoke coming off. Ooh. Yes. Thank you, God. Mm. Mm-hmm. Because Lord knows the girl was needing some food. And one thing I love about Jamaican food, you're gonna eat. You're gonna eat. That's why I love. Ooh, damn, I miss my dad. This make me every time I eat Jamaican food, it makes me miss my dad. Mm. Daddy, shout out to you. I love you. Mm. 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 All right. So y'all gonna see me probably drooling, dancing, happy, singing. It's just only things I do when I eat. Like, oh my gosh. Mm. 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 I've been wanting this so much. Oop, here comes the drool. I've been wanting some curry goat since last week. I ordered this on Uber Eats from Irie Mon Cafe. It's located in Buckhead, Atlanta. And when I tell you they got that thing so fast, I was surprised. I was like, dang. I would tip the Uber driver. I left that tip good because I was like, what? I ordered the food so fast I had to hurry up and put pants on so I can go get it. Like, too fast. But I'm not even mad at it. Mm, mm, mm. Okay? This is how you eat. For real. My dad taught me how to eat. You eat the meat, you take the bone out, and that's it. All that should be left on your plate when you're done eating is the bone. That's it. Bone and the spice you can't eat. Okay? These plantains are, they're alright, but this make up for everything. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna need them to put some more meat. Hello bone. Hold on. Mm. Damn. Mm. See, where's my meat? Where's my meat, baby? I need some more meat. Give me that meat. Oh my gosh. Hold on. So, where's the bone? Hold on. Is there one? Maybe not. First off, this is not even like y'all gonna just be watching me eat. I can't talk. I gotta eat. I'm hungry. I done waited all damn day. I surpassed being a brat. I was like, damn, I need to just order something. I tell you, my mouth is like kind of on fire. Maybe I'll just back it up with the beef patty. Hold on now. Let me get one more bite of this gold. Unbelievable. Really delicious. No shit. Hold on. It just be getting everywhere. It's good for that. Last time. Last time I got a beef patty from there, they were like more. It was too thick. Like the crust was too thick. Less meat. This one is just right. I'm in a food coma. I'm done. Oh my god, I just hit a wall. Oh, sheesh. Yeah. Jamaican food the cure to everything, okay? Hangover, drunk, hungry, not feeling well, sleepy, anxious. Eat Jamaican food. It's gonna take you there. Especially if you find a place that makes some good oxtail. I'm still looking for that in Atlanta. If you live in Atlanta, drop a good oxtail place. Somewhere to get oxtail. I want some. I don't want no sweet one. I don't want no fatty. No, I want some juicy, meaty oxtail too. Don't play with me. Y'all be trying to hold back. How come everybody don't want to tell me what the good spot? Yeah, watch me and you. Man, oh, I can't eat no more. I knew I was only gonna eat half. Damn, I tore that thing up. I'm in a coma now. I'm in a food coma. Oh my gosh. Excuse me. Wait, another one. Ooh. That one felt really good though. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm out. Ooh. That took me right out my food coma that I was stuck in for a second. Cause whoo. All right, y'all. I'm out. Peace out. Next time you want to try something new, order some curry goat. Try something new. Try some good, nice, soft. They better make it right, though. I'm going to tell you that. They have to make it right. This one was pretty good. Someplace. Look at me. I'm back in. Ah! All right. I'm done. I'm for real. I'm done. I'm out, y'all. Love you guys. Thank you for watching. Appreciate you. Like, comment, subscribe. Love you guys.